Hi, I'm Christy Sanger, the co-director of AHEPP, and I'd like to show you around our new website. So right now you're looking at the website as you've seen it in the past. Everything is the same here. The changes come when you sign in. If you sign into your profile, the button is up here on the top. It says sign in when you're not signed in, and it'll say sign out when you are signed in. When you click on your profile, it's going to bring you to a page you probably haven't seen before. First, it's going to ask you to complete your profile if it isn't 100% complete. All you need to do is fill out all of these tabs and you'll be 100% complete. Pretty easy. Then, if you look at your feed, you're going to be able to see all of your social connections and basically a feed similar to any social media platform that you've used in the past. As you can see, I'm connected to Keith, and he posted this little post right here, and I posted a different post, and I can see the posts of my own connections. I am connected to quite a few people right now. If you click on the connections button, you'll be able to see all of the connections of what you're connected, of who you're connected to. And then also, if there's a connection request, you can see it here. So as somebody requests a connection, you'll be able to accept or deny that connection, just like any other social media platform would do. Once you accept that social media connection and go back to your feed, if Andrew, for example, would have posted on his feed, I would see that within my feed now too. Also, there's a section for messages that you can get messages from other members. You're going to get a message each time somebody is inviting you to join connections. And if you want to find somebody to connect to them, just go to the directory, do a search, and find that person, and it'll ask if you want to connect to that person. Go ahead and search for my name and connect to me. I'd love to see your feed. Another feature of the new social platform is that it is going to be much easier to find the Career Center and our forums. Our forums, if you haven't participated in them in the past, are discussion groups on various topics. As you can see, we have CMS, COVID-19, cybersecurity, a pediatric surge, all kinds of various forums or discussion boards listed here. Once you click within the discussion board or the forum, there's various topics listed, and you can see what people have been talking about. You can also, once you click on those forums in the beginning, there's a spot where you can subscribe and list out your settings. So your settings, you can subscribe to these digests, and then you can determine if you want instant updates or just to get the digest once a week. So be sure to go in and subscribe one way or another so that you can get notifications when the topics that you're interested are being discussed. Also, once you're in this section, you can see that there is a payments and history, there's content and features, and professional development. So all of the things that you need to have are right here at your fingertips. Lastly, I just want to let you know that if you want to get back to our AHEPP website as you normally would and want to join an event or register for an event, just click on that icon on the top left-hand corner where I just clicked, and you can get back to our event tab and all the other tabs that we have on our regular website. Once you're already signed in, it's a lot easier to register, so go ahead and register for the next webinar that you want to join, and we'll be excited to see you. So I hope this helps to get around the new social platform, and I can't wait to see your connection email, and I'd like to see you in my feed soon. Thanks.